Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a free website where you're gonna be claiming free NFT. 100% reliable. You can start in seconds and it pays fast and it's 100% legit. All you just have to do is sign up. Once you sign up, then the next step is to log in. Once you log in, as you can see right there, you're gonna be given free $50 worth of NFTs. You can gain up to 500 NFT every day on this website. One NFT is $0.91, as you can see. As you can see right there. Yeah, it's Budley Mac. So right now I have just $50 worth of NFTs and I would like to increase it. What do? So you have to look for multiple ways. So the first way is click on get free NFT. Once you get that, you click on it, it's gonna direct you to another page where you can earn more NFTs. So I've clicked on it, so it's gonna take me to a place, yeah, where you can spin and get free NFTs. So you're gonna click on spin. Once you click on spin, yeah, as you can see, it just started spinning. You have to wait for a little bit. As you can see, it's spinning. As you can see, okay, yeah, it's done. I just got 10 NFTs for free, guys. That's interesting. You won't believe that. Oh yeah, I forgot something. I forgot to mention something. The link to this site will be in the description box. Yeah, good. Please go to the description box and copy the link to this site if you really need it. If you don't need it, you don't need to bother yourself. If you don't need money, you don't need to bother yourself. And please guys, appreciate my effort. You have to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and most of all subscribe. You guys, we've got to get to 1K subscribers before the end of this month. I know December is already here, but we can still do it. All you just have to do is share my videos, like and comment on them, and subscribe. So let's get back to the video. As you can see right now, I've clicked on NFT and my balance has increased to $59.11. That's crazy, yeah. Yeah, very crazy. As you can see, that's it right there. So if you want to increase more, you click on mining. Yeah, once you click on mining, it's gonna take you to another pop-up. Yeah, as you can see, different type of miner, ant-miner, ant-miner V8. You click on the first one, it will take you to the list of available coins, NFT, TSO. So many coins are available right there. So, but I would advise that you click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, you're on the plus icon. Yeah, it's gonna ask you for network fees and execution price. It depends on the amount. You don't need to fund your account. You're gonna pay from the one you have.